Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Samantha if you're new here, and I talk about rescuing things to resell online for a profit. So I am giving you another bulk unboxing. I have two that I'm going to try and get through for you guys, two cases. The difference between a case and a pallet is this is a small case. You can see kind of how big it is compared to my body. A pallet is going to probably be about 8 of these. So it's going to be a lot larger, and you have to actually schedule a pickup and somebody drop it off on a pallet jack and stuff like that. But I'm going to be showing you what I got in just a case, and this can be delivered to anybody. UPS is how they deliver it. It's usually just $30 a case. So I did get a new case from them, and I'm just going to show you what's inside. This is bed and home decor. Okay, to start, we got a Fieldcrest cotton cashmere quilt, and this is a full queen. Again, as I've said on other prior videos, I love Fieldcrest. Fieldcrest does very well for me. Okay, sorry, I am back. My postman came, so yeah, like I was saying, Fieldcrest, as I've said on prior videos, does really well for me. So that is a brand that you should be looking out for if you can find it low enough. All right, so we got some Fieldcrest Supima Classic Hem Stitch pillow case covers. And I believe, if I'm remembering right, that's gonna be what most of these items are. This is just a Fieldcrest standard sham, Threshold Ultra Soft Flat Sheet. And another Queen Flat Sheet, I believe it's Threshold. Does look like this has been open, so I will make sure everything is inside of it. This soft plush pillowcase cover, I will have to make sure that it is new, no stains, since it's not in the original packaging. And some more Fieldcrest hem stitch pillowcase coverings, different collars, and one was the same collar. And this one is made by design. It says original was 15, so I'll probably expect to get, $8 out of this one. Another hem stitch pillowcase covering. This is Fieldcrest striped duvet cover set. The retail value was $90, so this will be a great one to resell. And a linen sham by Fieldcrest. Another linen sham, but by Threshold. And two Fieldcrest hem stitch classics. The original value of each of these alone were $31. So I will probably sell them individually, but I will put in the description that if they'd like to bundle some, I can give them a good deal, because I'm always about doing deals. And a linen sham by Fieldcrest. And this looks like king pillowcases, probably just made by design. Waterproof mattress pad, and what's great about this one is it still has a little plastic seal thing on it. And these are hand towels by Threshold. I do like Threshold as well. It's not gonna be as much as Fieldcrest. Not as much as Fieldcrest was gonna get me, but still a great profit. A duvet cover and sham set by Made by Design. And this looks like some kind of throw blanket. It doesn't have the tags attached that I'm seeing. So this may just be a freebie that they threw in there, because I honestly don't remember seeing it on the manifest. Sometimes they do throw some freebies in there. And a Fieldcrest hem stitch pillowcase covering. And another one, but these are satin ones for king. This is Threshold twin cotton blanket. And Fieldcrest again, Fieldcrest shams. And then some Room Essentials sham. Now this one isn't as much, so I will probably look to try and hopefully lot this up if I can get some more out of different boxes, because I won't sell that alone. It's not enough. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the next box. I'm gonna pause this and pull the next box up for you guys. Okay, here goes with the second box. So I actually just got this in a prior unboxing, and it's extremely soft. It's a memory foam bath rug. It's pretty big, but yeah, if you can see, it has like some really pretty design to it. And a Fieldcrest hem stitch pillowcase cover. And these are small, so they're gonna be easy to ship. Satin by Fieldcrest. Pillowcase covers is what those are. More of those pillowcase covers. And a lot of these will match up with my prior box that I just did, so that'll be nice. This is Satin Stitch by Fieldcrest. Another one of those satin stitch, but in gray. This is Over the Door Hook by Threshold. That won't be worth very much, but maybe if I have another garage sale, I'll do that. This is a Fieldcrest Sham. Fieldcrest Sham again. Some more Fieldcrest, just pillowcase covers. And those actually go for quite a bit. Like some of them are 31, 30, 31, 35. So I will be able to get $10 to $20 per set out of those. Fieldcrest Satin Stitch full sheet set. I believe I already have that one listed, so I can just add another one to the listing. Threshold stand or ironing board. And a Fieldcrest just hand towel. It's a gray mint. More Fieldcrest pillowcase covers. These ones are 30, 35. Another Fieldcrest one, 36. Fieldcrest again, 35. That's retail value that I'm saying, so obviously that's not how much I'm gonna get out of them. Fieldcrest again. And they look like king and standards. So this is a new, thank God it's new, because it was spilled, or it was tipped over, but a new toilet brush. I actually sold these at my garage sale for $3 to $4 each, so maybe I'm gonna have to have one for all these odds and end little things, because I'm definitely not gonna be shipping and listing it, because I don't wanna take my time for something that's small. All right, this is Dorm Bed Jersey Quilt Room Essentials. So this one is a new lot, and it looks like there's some kind of stain on it, so I'm going to have to show that to BULQ to get my money back on that item, because there's no way that's coming out, and I'm not selling it like that. Fieldcrest hand towel. It's a little bit darker green than the other one. This one is Nate Berkus Triangle Stitch Cotton Jersey Quilt Full Queen. And a Pillow Fort shower curtain. Madison Park fur throw. It's really soft. And another hand towel by Fieldcrest, and that is the same color as just the last one that I showed. And a Fieldcrest pillowcase, and another over the door hanger. So that was all that was in this lot. The reason why I've been getting so much bedding and home decor is it's doing really, really well for me. And I feel like I found a niche for myself that I do kind of enjoy listing it. More so than clothing, because it's going to be selling a lot quicker for me. So I'm in the business of making money, not thinking something's pretty and that's why I want to sell it. So even if I don't like it, that's what I'm going to be buying to sell if I know it's going to be selling. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Also go follow me on Instagram or Facebook, Thrifty on a Dime, and I look forward to putting out more content for you. If you have any questions or you want to say hi, drop that in the comments below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching.